All right, if you see any mess on my desk, I'm in the middle of a big project that I wanted to open this. I got the St. Louis Art Supply mystery box. I got one, I forget when, it wasn't that long ago, but it seems like it was less than a year. And you just pay whatever and they send you mystery art supplies. Last time I remember I got a big tube of golden acrylic paint, which was awesome. This one it was called a long box because they were going to include brushes. So just thought I would open this with you and see what we got. If you want to get these, they're already sold out. They sell out immediately, but get on their mailing list, their email list, and as soon as you get the email, go and get one because they're limited to one per person, but they sell out really fast. Because by the time I thought I had ordered it a couple hours went by, and I said, oh, I should put that on my channel and post it on my channel that you can go get it. And I checked again, they were already sold out. So let's see. Cute little erasers. Oh, I think I got one of those before. And oh, they always send those. Is this some kind of ink? Green? I don't like this box. Okay, that's kind of cool. My big project is swatching, and I have been swatching inks and watercolors and pencils and everything, so I'll have to add that to the list. I think that's a nib for a pen. Got those before too. Mini glass brush rest. Oh, I don't think I have one of these. A little piece of glass. You can put your brush on it. Cute. Alright, so this is the long brush. I actually like the brush. I like that it's a short bristle, even though it's, you can see smoke coming out of it. It's like that really rough kind of brush, so something you might use with oils. But that's kind of cool. This is a weird little pencil. Spiral pencil. Oh, okay. It is kind of cool. Oh, this is one of those Crink. It's one of those like carpenter's pencils. New York City. Okay, I don't know how that... Oh, you must have to sharpen it with a knife. Well, I did get a lot of stuff. Alright, this is... Oh, look at this first. This is a big fat pencil. I love these. I use those for... what's this? Refill. I have a quirky pen. Or pencil. It's weird they would send you this when you don't have a pen. They don't know if you have a pen. This is a weird box. Oh, okay. I'm kind of not as excited about this one as I was the last. And this, which is some kind of ink. I mean, it's interesting because a lot of the stuff is like, you can see it's Japanese, which is kind of fun. Stuff you wouldn't normally see. But this is weird to have thrown in, because how do you know if it fits in whatever pen I may or may not have? At least that's a pretty color. I'm guessing it's some kind of ink. Ooh. Looks like it might be sparkly ink. Don't know. How do you get the... Do you just... Yeah. Oh! Oh, it's a marker! Oh, okay, that's different. That is kind of cool. Alright. So it's a purple marker. Well, that was... Not those. That's the good stuff that I already have. Put a little barrier there. So, I don't know. It wasn't as great this time, so if you missed it, you didn't miss much. Last time was much better. But I like that. I haven't ever had a brush rest, I don't think. I always look at them and I go, I'm not paying for that. I just rested on a piece of paper, you know, but that is kind of cool. It's pretty. It's like a little kidney bean. And the marker's kind of neat. Interesting. I don't know how much I'd use it, but it is kind of interesting. I wish this had been a different color because I hate green. I can always use an eraser, and I have one of these, so although I don't think I've used it yet. And I don't know if that's a special kind of eraser, but well, that was it. Not as exciting as I had hoped, but it was a surprise. Okay, it was a mystery. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.